Happy Kids TV. Apples red and crunchy, take a bite. Choo choo. Bananas soft and yummy, yellow sweet. It's true. Juicy grapes go pop in my mouth, they roll. Fruits are full of magic that make me whole. Broccoli trees are green, standing tall and bright. Carrots crunch so loudly, orange fresh and light. Peas are tiny balls that bounce in my spoon. Veggies make us strong, morning, night, and noon. Yum, 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 eat and grow, strong and happy, don't you know? Fruits and veggies help us glow. Let's eat healthy, go, go, go! We sit together, plates all neat and round. Mom and Dad are smiling, love is all around. We share our food and stories, laugh until we're done. Eating as a family is so much fun. Every bite we take helps our bodies grow. From our head to our toes, we feel the healthy glow. Energy for playing, running all day long. Healthy eating makes our hearts so strong. Yum, 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 eat and grow, strong and happy, don't you know? Fruits and veggies help us glow. Let's eat healthy, go, go, go! Click, like, subscribe.